In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead magnet page on Beehiiv. Whether you're offering a free ebook, a helpful checklist, or any other valuable content, the key is to make it easy and enticing for your audience to sign up. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, we'll start by logging into the Beehiiv dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to open up your publication. From here, you have two navigational paths to choose from. You can either go through the website option or head over to Grow and then select Subscribe Forms. Each route will guide you to the same ultimate goal. Next, you're going to encounter the choice to either create landing page or hit new page. Both options will open the door to designing your lead magnet page, so click on whichever one you're presented with. Now comes the creative and crucial part, customizing your page. Let's focus on the essential sections here to make this page as effective as possible. First up is the headline. It's important to clearly state the benefit of what you're offering. The headline should catch attention and instantly convey the value. Think along the lines of "Get my free AI marketing checklist," or "Download the 30-day content calendar," or even "Free crypto tax guide for beginners." The idea is to be straightforward and appealing. Right below the headline, you'll want to include a subheadline. This is your opportunity to expand on what they'll learn or get from the offer. It's a chance to entice them further by delving into the details that might just sway their decision to sign up. The email sign-up form comes next, and conveniently, Beehiiv automatically adds this essential feature for you. Your visitors will simply need to enter their information here to get access to your lead magnet. Don't forget about the call to action button, or CTA as it's often called. This is where you motivate them to take action. Examples of effective CTAs include phrases like "download now," "get instant access," or "send me the guide." Ensure that your CTA is prominent and inviting. Lastly, consider including a preview image. Upload a mock-up or a screenshot of your lead magnet. This visual can really help to solidify the desire to obtain whatever it is you're offering by giving them a sneak peek. Now for the final step, you need to decide how you'll deliver the lead magnet. A simple and effective method is to redirect users after they've signed up. In the Beehiiv sign-up settings, you can configure a redirect URL. This means after they subscribe, they can be automatically sent to a download page, a thank you page, or directly to a link via Google Drive. This seamless transition not only enhances the user experience, but ensures they promptly receive the promised content. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of creating a lead magnet page on Beehiiv. Follow these guidelines and you'll be well on your way to capturing leads like never before. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.